yes, actually we had crossed the limit, so the timer went out.
Yeah. No issue.
Yes, sir. We were on the topic of the ideal outcome of this decision. Whatever the Supreme Court agrees on, what, in your opinion, would be the most ideal decision to, secure the future of the students?
See, Supreme Court will say that whatever the modes and the methods available in the university, like already we stated that there are the reformations adopted by all the universities. Choice-based credit
Right.
system already, where the students gets a credit after every semester. Then the 9.5 scale system is there. I don't know students are aware or not about these things. They might not, but yes, there are the system. We got the credit. Okay, then cumulative grading point index are there. So all those modes are there. Whatever the performance, whatever the internal evaluations method are there in the different universities, those students can evaluate on that method, on that basis, on the ground. So I would say that these are the different method. Students can be evaluated in the right spirit. Why I'm saying the right spirit, because many of the professors, I would not say, but yes, many of the professor, they can't assess the paper properly. But now, yes, whatever the previous semester marks got by the candidate or the students, they can be cumulative average on that all the subjects. So that will be the method can be adopted by the Supreme Court, like the whatever the UGC mentioned in their 29th April guidelines, that should be carried forward. 50% internal evaluation, 50% performance on the previous semesters. So that will be ideal method, according to me.
Okay. Let's hope for the best. So,
Yeah.
And you had filed the case in the Bombay High Court earlier. So, what prompted you? Like, what was your motivation behind? Like, how were you motivated to file it in the Supreme Court and benefit the students at large?
See, first of all, I'll tell you why I started this organization. You can see that we are the non-political organization, and we have you read our tagline? Education is not for sale; it is for all, isn't it? Education is not for sale; it is for all. From the last 30 years, not in Maharashtra, all our country, we adopted the privatization. And then the commercializations included in the education system. Now, I don't know how many students are gone through the national education policy. So we are inclining toward the capitalism. So we have to fight with those things, because the coming generation will not get education. Because when the education institution can ask you the lakhs of fees, how will the parent and students can afford those fees?
Yes.
We are fighting for the cause, and if you are connected with any affiliated with any political party, the most of the politicians having their own colleges or own institutions, education institutions. We are just for the formally we are saying that the education noble cause, but no, nowadays from last 30 years, education is not noble cause. It is for the sale. We are selling degrees by getting lakhs of fees. So for these things prompted me. I left my job. I was working in the construction industry from last 13 years. I was getting good salary, like a per month salary. But I thought, no, I want to fight for the social justice. I want to fight for the education matter, because see, शिक्षा यही मार्ग है जो आपको प्रगति के पथ पर ले जा सकता है.
Very true, sir.
और कोई मार्ग आपको प्रगति के पथ पर ले नहीं सकता अगर शिक्षा हम फ्री मुफ्त में नहीं दे सकते. शिक्षा आरोग्य अगर मुफ्त में नहीं दे सकते तो फिर इस गवर्नमेंट का फायदा क्या है. तो आपको अगर फाइट चलानी है तो आपको नॉन पॉलिटिकल होके चलाना पड़ेगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आई एम नॉट पॉलिटिकल. यस, एवरीबॉडी इज पॉलिटिकल हियर. वी हैव डिफरेंट आइडियोलॉजी, बट वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर द कॉमन कॉज. For that I thought, yes, I want to fight, but with a different way. Have you ever heard about the judicial activism?
Yes, sir.
So that I want to adapt here. I filed many PILs, writ petition, because you cannot fight on grounds continuously. there are some limitations. There are some limitations. See, policy can make in the parliament or the assemblies, correct?
Hmm.
But we learned from the course, policy can make also in court also. Vishaka guideline is there, Menka Gandhi
Yes.
case is there.
Yes.
So policies can make in the court.
Hmm.
So for that reason, I thought ki fight with the right spirit, fight with the right place. We will we will benefit it
Yes. Of
on
course.
that ground. So that
Yes.
reason I thought I want to fight for the students in this way. So judicial activism is one of the way to fight. Definitely will हम लोग ग्राउंड भी जाते हैं, जाना पड़ता है कभी कभी, बट यस विद इन ऑल द लॉ जुडिक्शन, लॉ के बियॉन्ड हम कभी जाते नहीं है, लॉ को कभी ब्रेक नहीं करते, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर लॉयर्स. सो हमको लॉ ब्रेक करना अच्छा नहीं होगा हमारे तरफ से, तो हम लॉ को भी कम होके काम करते हैं.
Sir, you mentioned.
I think
Sorry,
you're
sir,
missing.
yes.
I think you're missing one point. I am remembering you. The UGC said offline or online or blended method.
Offline, online, or blended. Yes.
Correct. So I wanted to cover this point also to know
Yes,
the
sir.
students. ऑनलाइन सुविधा भी हमारे देश में नहीं, सिर्फ नाम के लिए हमने डिजिटल इंडिया बना के रखा है पिछले 6 साल से. हमारे रिमोट विलेजेस में अभी भी नेटवर्क नहीं है, टावर नहीं है. अभी हम आ चुके हैं.
Hello.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
See now, you are entering me from this platform, Instagram. Many times we face technical glitches. How can we say we are well versed with the digital things? So online is not possible way. In fact, EDC has stated in their 29.4 guideline. I will read it for you. Just a moment. I will read it for you. And for all the viewers. What are the
Yes,
those
sir,
para?
sure.
Give me just a moment. And now they are saying you can blended mode, you can conduct the examination. How can they contradict their own guidelines?
I think a lot of students are waiting for what's going to happen on Tuesday, so.
Yeah. But they should be patient. See, point number.
So your voice is breaking, sir.
Mode of the exam. Is it audible now?
Audible.
It is audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll read again for all the viewers. Like the modes of teaching learning, most of the universities follow the physical mode of examination. With a few exceptions, on this aspect also, some of the universities lack of adequate IT infrastructure for conducting online examination. The hiring of private agencies for conducting online examinations also does not seem feasible in view of the fact that examinations are to be conducted simultaneously by all the universities. Therefore, keeping in view the basic infrastructure available at the level of institutions and accessibility of internet to students, especially in the remote areas, it is not feasible. Please listen carefully, all the viewers. It is not feasible to uniformly adopt the online mode of examination at this juncture. So how can 6 July guidelines say you can conduct the examination by online mode? They itself saying that we are not, it is not feasible. Oh, sorry. it is not feasible. It is not feasible to uniformly adopt the online modes. So what happened in 2 months? They have created all the infrastructure. So this point also discussed today in the Supreme Court.
Okay.
So students do not worry about their future in not being turmoil because of this politics happened from last 4 months. Definitely you will hear a very good news soon. We are there for you. So be calm, be cool, be patient. अपनी मानसिक संतुलन खराब मत करिएगा और घर में अच्छे से रहिएगा.
Okay. Thank you for that, sir. Should we wind this up? Does anybody have any questions? If you guys have questions, we can take those up now and quickly wind this up. I think we've already taken much of your time, sir, but thank you so much for, addressing us today and clearing a lot of our doubts.
Thanks a lot. This would help to all the students. Their mindset will be clear now after this interview. And I'm really thankful to Unlock India, you guys, Mitanshu, especially you, and other staff members of here. All the very best for your future. And you also final students. You see, all you guys are literally working for the cause. Yes. So I'm from my side, from my organization side, we all the very best to you. And whatever help you require in future, please let us know. We are there for the students' cause. We are always be there. And I'm thankful and grateful to my team members who's supporting me, who's getting they are with me for from last 5 months. They are supporting me with the research, with any other points. They are helping me a lot. From my Nasik team, from my Jalgaon team, from my Ratnagiri team, Nanded, Aurangabad, Mumbai, Thane, everybody are there to support me. Not only my team, the other students also helping me a lot for this. And this is for the students only. This union is great for students only. This is students union. We are not saying we are the founders of this union. All students are founder of this union. They can come and they can work for their rights only.
Yes. Yes, sir. So we're very grateful for you and your and the Maharashtra Students Union also for supporting the students and fighting for our rights. It's a great initiative, and yes, we just have I think a few questions relating to technicalities, so that it's Tariq pe Tariq, and also I think someone's asked. Okay, where did that question? People are asking when can they expect. What was the judges' reactions today, and can they expect exams to be cancelled? So let's.
The bench was very quietly hearing the proceeding. There was not कोई भी judges कोई भी अपना ऐसा mood नहीं दिखाता है. So they heard both the side first, and they can conclude their judgment on the basis of evidence and fact. मैं इतना कहना चाहूंगा अभी के वक्त पर कि yes, जो भी facts provide हो चुके from all the interveners, from all the petitioners, वो सारे facts यही कह रहे हैं कि students के हक में ही निर्णय आना चाहिए और वैसे आएगा भी. So the judges and the bench as very I can say that they are supportive in point of the because they are very calm to hear the proceeding. So I can say that yes, from both the side they can hear the case, and definitely the judgment will be in the favor of students. I want to add here. I want to thank all the students because they raised the questions in the right spirit. If they could not raise the question, these things cannot be happen, and this movement should be go on. हम पढ़ते इसके लिए कि हम कोई सवाल पूछ सके, और सवाल भी अपने हक के लिए अधिकार के लिए हो तो उसको अच्छी तरह से वो मूवमेंट में आ जाता है. तो students should fight for their rights. They can ask question to the authority. कहीं पर भी अगर अन्याय दिखे आपको, अगर आप मुझे काफी सारे बच्चों ने कहा फोन करके सर हमारे कॉलेज है इसलिए हम आगे नहीं आ पाते, हम पिटिशन नहीं बन सकते. लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट्स हमारा जो होता है वेस्ट होता है कि अगर स्टूडेंट को सामने लेके आए पिटिशनर बन के तो वो नहीं हो पाता. कुछ स्टूडेंट आते देन बैकआउट करते. तो मैं इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि फ्रॉम दी महाराष्ट्र स्टूडेंट यूनियन आपको अश्योरिटी होगी, आपको कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी. कुछ भी आपका प्रॉब्लम है तो सामने आइएगा, सामने आके बोलिएगा. लॉ आपके साथ में, संविधान भारत का आपको बोलने का हक देता है, बोलने की आजादी देता है, राइट टू स्पीक आपके पास है। तो अगर आप कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर आप आपके हक के लिए आवाज उठाए तो आपको बोलना चाहिए, आपको बोलने का मौका आपको मिल रहा है तो आपको बोलना चाहिए। आपके आपके हक के आपके खिलाफ कोई अगर आपको दबाना चाहते हो तो आप दबिए मत। आप सीधा सामने, अगर आपको कोई हेल्प नहीं कर रहा तो हमारे पास ही, हम लोग आपके सामने साथ में खड़े रहेंगे। तो यही मूवमेंट आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, बिकॉज देश का जो युवा होता है वही देश की स्ट्रेंथ होता है, और देश का युवा मतदार भी होता है। और जिन्होंने इस वोटर्स को छेड़ा है इस लास्ट 5 मंथ्स में, उसका रिएक्शन जरूर दिखेगा आगे के इलेक्शन में। काफी सारे ऐसे ट्वीट भी आ चुके थे, काफी सारे ऐसे कमेंट भी आ चुके थे फेसबुक पे। जब हम कमेंट पोस्ट करते हैं तो काफी सारे बच्चे ऐसे भी लिख रहे थे, हम देखेंगे आगे आगे। तो हम
Okay, sir,
जस्ट
you
बी
said
अवेयर अबाउट द राइट।
देश के यस सर, यू सेड देश के युवा को पढ़ते रहना चाहिए। सो उसी से हमारा अगला एक सवाल है, ऑडियंस का बहुत सारे सवाल आ चुके हैं कि क्या हमें अभी पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू करनी चाहिए डिपेंडिंग ऑन एग्जाम्स होंगे या नहीं होंगे, तो शुड वी कंटिन्यू आवर स्टडीज?
कोई भी नहीं कहेगा कि आप अपनी पढ़ाई बंद करिएगा। पढ़ाई आपके आपके फ्यूचर के
एग्जैक्टली।
लिए फ्यूचर के अच्छी होती है। आपको उससे
यस।
नॉलेज ही गेन होता है। अगर आप किताबें
यस।
पढ़ेंगे, मतलब आप सिर्फ एग्जाम के लिए किताबें पढ़ रहे हो, नहीं ना। आपको आपका
हाँ।
आपका इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल बढ़ाना है, आपको आपका नॉलेज
करेक्ट।
बढ़ाना है, गेन करना है, तो आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा। ऐसे नहीं कि पढ़ाई बंद कर दी, खत्म हो गया, आप वैकेशन पे जा रहे हो। आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग
हाँ।
पढ़ना चाहिए। अभी मुझे एक बात
यस।
बताइए, मुझे मतलब डाउट काफी दिनों से स्टूडेंट्स रख रहे हैं, हमको पढ़ाई करनी है, नहीं करनी है, करनी नहीं।
हाँ।
लेक्चर्स कहाँ पे कंडक्ट हुए हैं?
हाँ।
लेक्चर्स कंडक्ट हुए ही
लेक्चर तो।
नहीं है, तो और तो
हम्म।
किस ग्राउंड पे एग्जाम करने वाले हैं?
हम्म।
मार्च से सारे कॉलेजेस बंद है, इंस्टीट्यूशन बंद है, तो एग्जाम मतलब लेक्चर हुए तो एग्जाम कैसे कंडक्ट करेंगे? बट बच्चों ने जो जो भी आज उनको इनके सब्जेक्ट होंगे, आगे जाके उनको अगर लाइफ में वो सब्जेक्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते तो उनको पढ़ना चाहिए, वो आगे लेके जाना चाहिए। पढ़ाई रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, पढ़ाई निरंतर होनी चाहिए वैसे।
करेक्ट।
तो मैं इतना
यस।
सजेस्ट करूंगा कि कई बच्चों ने अपने नॉलेज गेन के लिए, अपने इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल को बढ़ाने के लिए पढ़ते रहना चाहिए। नॉट वर्क तो आपकी जो किताबें होती है, कोई नहीं,
हम्म।
बाकी सारे जो किताबें होती है जो आपको ज्ञान देती है, आपको सामाजिक तौर पे आपको लड़ना सिखाते, सामाजिक तौर पे आपको जुड़ना सिखाती है, तो वो भी पढ़ना चाहिए बच्चों ने।
Hmm. So I think that answers a lot of questions. Everybody keep studying, keep working hard. It's going to help you somewhere or the other. That is what Sir is trying to say. And let's not stop working hard because Sir and a lot of people are fighting on our behalf for our rights. So yes, we should not stop our, we should not stop our studies or anything that, will help us in the future. So we can also help people further. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I want to add here.
Yes,
See,
sir.
in law there are constitutions, and then the IPC is there, CRPC is there, CP is there.
Yes.
कोई लॉ
Yes.
के बच्चे ऐसा कहेंगे कि सर हमें पढ़े ही नहीं पढ़े।
बिल्कुल
अगर
नहीं।
उनको प्रैक्टिस करने आएगा तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना उनको। आईपीसी
एग्जैक्टली
पढ़ना पड़ेगा,
एग्जैक्टली।
सीआरपीसी पढ़ना पड़ेगा,
हाँ।
सीपीसी पढ़ना पड़ेगा, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ना पड़ेगा उनको। हाउ कैन वी से
हाँ।
दैट कि हमको नहीं पढ़ना है, हम पढ़े कि नहीं पढ़ा बताओ मुझे। सो
हाँ। That's true, sir.
या
So I think that answers everyone's questions. And let's hope for a favorable decision at least on Tuesday, or if not a decision, at least a favorable outcome. And I think soon we can expect a decision in benefit of students.
certainly it will
Certainly.
not on Tuesday, but yes, next week definitely this the decision will be in favor of the students only. And bench also looking for students health and their family health, their colleague
Yes.
health. So bench also from the outside, yes, they are all aware about the fact, no, because
Yes.
the major thing is that we are continuing proceeding through online. That is the main
Yes, sir.
evidence. If it is all the situation normal, then we have to present at the Supreme Court courtroom.
Hmm. I think technical issues again. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was talking about that. The courts
Physical
don't,
hearings in the courts. Yes, sir.
yeah, physical hearing not conducted. That is the main evidence because we are proceeding through the online hearing.
Hmm.
So that is a major evidence. No, that means situation is
Yes.
not normal till the date.
Yes.
So that.
Okay, then. I think we should wind up. We've taken a lot of your time, sir, but thank you so much for doing this. And I think you have cleared up a lot of doubts of the students, and I think they feel much better and lighter now, considering the issue at hand. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you once again.
Thanks a lot for providing me opportunity here to clear the students' mind and their doubts. I hope their mind is clear now, and they are definitely looking forward to the decision of the Supreme Court. And definitely, I'm assuring again and again, the decision will come in the favor of students only. So relax now
Yes.
and keep going, keep working, keep studying.
Yes. But yes, never
So,
stop working hard.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you
Thanks a lot.
to our
Thank you. Thank
audience
you.
who have joined us. And yes, I agree. The first session exceeded the time limit. So this is the second IGTV that we will be uploading soon. You can check out both the videos on our feed. It's on the IGTV, and you can see it on the feed as well. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.